Assalamualaikum, my name is Noor Azuri, class 4B. Today I will show how my progress data entry. So my research title is Resident Perceptions of Redevelopment and Property Culture in Kampung Sungai Baru. So first we begin from Google Form structure. Okay. This is to collect the primary data, and I create Google Form questionnaire. First, I should explain the research title to the respondent to ensure they understand the research purpose. So the questionnaire is consists of three parts. Main part, which is part A, demographic profile. Part B, view on redevelopment. Part C, property ownership culture. So part A, this section contains demographic questions to identify respondents' background such as age. Number 2 is types of residents. Number 3 is about live in the area or not. The last one for part A is respondent connections dengan kawasan kampung Sungai Baru tu ataupun tidak. So the purpose is about to identify who my respondent are and help me to analysis the data according to the category. For part B, these sections aim to assess respondent general knowledge about redevelopment and their view on property ownerships. Respondent will answer using a Likert scale, ranking to from 1 strongly disagree to 5 strongly agree. Also, this section allows us to measure their level of agreements and understands their perceptions towards redevelopment and property culture in Kampung Sungai Baru. For last part is part C. Also, this section focuses on property ownership culture. It's aimed to understand how village heritage, community value, and property culture influence respondent view on redevelopment. Sama macam part B tadi, respondent will answer using a Likert scale from strongly disagree to strongly agree. So next is distribution method. After complete the Google form, I distribute the form link online to the target respondent living in Kampung Sungai Baru. Respondents were asked to answer and all response will be collected automatically through Google Form. So once enough response were received, I changed to Excel file to contain all the raw answer from respondents. But before that, we go to latest Google Sheet right here. We have to download first and change to Excel file. Okay, then we got in Excel. Okay. Before transfer to the data of SPSS, I change the raw answer into numerical coding inside Excel. I change the age by number and also the few more question also change to the number. All answer already changed to the numbering, like age. I have three answer from respondents, 80, 80 until 30 years old, 31 until 40, 41 until 50. So the number one, 80 until 31, I changed to number one. Answer number two, I changed to 2. Number 3, 41 until 50, I changed to the number 3. Also, so on, I change all. So this is SPS data entry. Hmm, kita masukkan Excel dulu dalam ni supaya Excel yang kita dah tukar tadi masuk dekat SPSS dan kita dapat data tersebut. So this is my variable view. Here I enter all the information such as age, types of residence. Yang ni pun saya tukar juga kepada numbering untuk dia detect lah soalan tu. Terus saya dah tukar dia punya value label sebab dia pakai dekat scale, so I change to the number. Okay, add one number dekat sini and type dia punya dapat. Also dia punya measure pun dia using the nominal and ordinal, starting from part B. Question part B using the ordinal measure. This is the data view of questions yang dah masuk daripada Excel tadi. Okay, ni adalah pie chart yang dah tukar daripada variable view tadi, descriptive, statistik, frequency, and saya pilih pie chart. Dan dia punya frekuensi untuk part B dan part C adalah macam ni. Seterusnya